This festive season, enjoy cooking meals while conserving the environment using Ebenezer energy-saving stoves, which use volcanic stones for heating and cooking your meal as fast as you can. The stove also comes with an addition of a solar and lights. These can be for home or commercial use, and they are at a discount, for these stoves are proudly made in Uganda. For more information on how to access us, please contact us on the addresses on your screen, and do not miss out on this opportunity.
The uniqueness about this particular plant is basically about the fact that it is one of its kind in this country. There are different power plants that have been constructed, but not one that is entirely running a factory that is working towards agricultural production. This is the only uniqueness that we have here. And also the size, it is quite big. 172 kilowatts is almost 3 times bigger than any other industrial grid-tied kind of solar plant. Actually, so much advocate for renewable energy, and in relation to solar, most factories, they concentrate more on using hydropower, and in addition to the diesel generators. But because this is a coffee factory, they are looking at a very good clean source of energy. That's why they decided to eliminate the generator use and only include the solar panels because of the value that they get out of the quality of their produce. It's a very good marketing experience if the product you're producing is free from these gases that are related to the use of diesel generators. We have a grid-tied system. We have solar, the solar panels working hand in hand with the grid. Ideally, what happens is that you have production of solar during the day, which is working hand in hand with the grid, that is your umeme. So when the solar is producing power very early in the morning, it's likely that the power generation will be much lower. That's when now you invite in umeme to come and give a top up on the energy. So as you go throughout the day, the solar production increases and eliminating the umeme completely. The idea of them working together is basically because one is giving the other one a hand, but the way the system is designed, the priority should be the solar. At a certain point during the day, maybe 4 to 5 hours during the day, like what is happening here, you have 100% production being generated by solar to run the equipment. This is one of the most cost-effective systems currently available, because the way we talk to the customer, we want the customer to understand that there is a return on investment. Yeah? Solar systems that are constructed by competent companies like Village Energy, they have a return on investment of like 5 to 7 years. And we have a 25-year warranty on the solar power plant. So within 5 to 7 years, the customer is actually getting back the investment that they paid. The extra amount of energy that is produced after the 7-year period is pure profit. That is the value that you get from this kind of investment.